What if I told you the biggest taxi company in the world owns no cars, the largest accommodation provider owns no hotels, and the fastest growing retailers, they have no physical stores? Welcome to the digital economy, where your phone is your shopping mall, your office, and sometimes your boss. Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we make sense of economics in the age of constant change. Today's topic, part of our modern economic challenges, will explain what the digital economy is, how e-commerce, gig work, and platforms are reshaping markets, why it's both exciting and challenging for workers, businesses, and governments. Full economics playlist is linked in the description below. What is the digital economy? The digital economy refers to all economic activities driven by digital technologies, online platforms, and data. It's not just about selling online. It's about a completely new way of producing, exchanging, and consuming goods and services. E-commerce, the borderless marketplace. From Amazon to Alibaba, e-commerce lets businesses sell to anyone, anywhere, 24/7. Benefits: wider markets for sellers, greater choice and convenience for buyers, lower operational costs. Challenges: tough competition for small businesses, logistics and delivery bottlenecks. Digital payment security risks. Example: Black Friday online sales in the US reached $9.8 billion in a single day in 2023, all without a single customer walking into a store. Gig work. The rise of flexible jobs platforms like Uber, Fiverr, and Upwork allow people to work on demand anywhere in the world. Benefits: flexible schedules, opportunities for extra income, access to a global client base. Challenges: lack of job security and benefits, inconsistent income, legal gray areas on worker rights. Example: during the COVID-19 pandemic, gig delivery jobs surged, becoming a lifeline for both customers and workers, but also sparking debates about fair pay. Digital platforms. The new economic infrastructure platforms connect buyers, sellers, and service providers in ways traditional businesses never could. They use network effects. The more users they have, the more valuable they become. Think Google, Facebook, Airbnb, Etsy. But they also raise questions about monopolies, data privacy, and market power. Famous quote: "In the digital age, data is the new oil, and platforms are the new refineries," adapted from Clive Humby. Why this matters? The digital economy is rewriting the rules of business, labor, and trade. For economists, it's a modern economic challenge. How do we regulate, tax, and ensure fairness in a world where work and commerce happen in the cloud? Coming up next episode, cryptocurrencies and blockchain in economics. Subscribe, tap the bell, and check the playlist link below for all episodes. This is the Learning Studio, exploring the forces shaping tomorrow's economy.